Hello everyone, this is Himanshu Sharma from Golden Public School, Muzaffarnagar, and today's video we will discuss about some more concepts which can be applied on list. As we all know that recently we have discussed about the list. What is the meaning of the list in Python programming language? List is a special type of variable, we can say that, because it can store multiple types of values in with the same name, right? We can store string type value, we can store integer type value, and also we can store float type value in the single variable. So this is called list, right? For example, if we try to revise the concept of list, then what is the list? Let's suppose we have a name that is number, and we can store a list in the variable with the name of number. This is a list because we are using here square brackets. We can store here multiple types of value like this, and if we try to get the output of the list, then how we can use it? Just we have to write the name of the list in the method of print, and let's try to find out the output of this concept. First we have to store this program. Now click on the save button, go to the run and click on run module. It is showing an error. Why it is showing an error? It is showing error because we are using here a string type of value, but we did not store this value in single or double quote, right? Again save this program and try to get the output. So here we can see that we are getting the all values which is stored in the name of the list, which is number, right? Now we will try to make some changes in this program. If let's suppose that we are working in a program, and in a program we have a list with the same name, that is number, and this is a blank list, right? And we want to add some values given from the user in the list. Then how we can use that? We have to use here append function. Append function is used when we want to add or append values in the list. How we can use it? Just we have to use number dot append, and here we have to write the value which we want to add in the list. Let's suppose we want to add a string type value which is xyz in the list, and now we try to print the number list, and let's check that the value xyz is added in the number or not. First of all we have to save this program and then run, right? So as we can see that the xyz value is already added in the number list, right? Let's suppose we can also use here, if we have a variable x, and in the variable of x we are getting value from the user, then how we can get value from the user? With the help of input method. Enter your value, right? And as we know that we are getting value in the variable of x, so we can here write x variable in the append method. Now save this program first and then run this program. Click on the run module. As you can see that here it is asking to enter your value, right? Let's suppose we are entering here a value and click on the enter. So as we can see that the value which is given from the user is stored in the list, right? Now we will try to enter any particular value, any index number in the list. As we all know that the every value have a index value in the list. So also we know that the starting value of the indexing of any list is starting from 0. So here we will discuss about a new function, new method which can be applied in the list, that is insert method. What is the meaning of, what is the use of insert method? Insert method is used when we want to append, when we want to add any given value from the user at any particular index value. Let's suppose we have a list, we will make some changes in the same list. We have a list which have already some values, right? And we want to, as we all know that the index value of this list will start from 0. So it means is that the index value of 1 is 0, index value of 2 is 1. Accordingly, all the variables, all the values have a particular index value which will start from 0, right? And will continue and till the index value, and this index value will continue till the list has the last value stored in it, right? So if we want to add, we want to insert any particular value at the index value 0 which is occupied by the value 1. So how we can use it? We have to use here insert method, and this insert method will take two different arguments. The first argument will be the index value, and the second argument will be the value which we want to insert at this particular index value, right? So again, save this program and now run this program. As we all know that it is asking to enter your value. Let's suppose we have entered 10. So as we can see that it is stored at the first index, right? And all the another values will increase their index value with 1. It means is that the index value of this one is at this time 1, and this is second index value, this is third index value, and so on, right? So like this we can insert any particular value at any index value, right?